How to use trial offers to try VPN services free, step by step. Welcome to our channel. If you want to try VPN services for free before committing, follow these step-by-step instructions to use trial offers safely and effectively. Step 1. Research reputable VPN providers that offer free trials. Look for established companies like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, CyberGhost, or Surfshark that provide 7 to 30-day trials. Step 2. Read the trial terms carefully. Check if a credit card is required, whether you'll be charged after the trial ends, and how to cancel before billing starts. Step 3. Create an account with your email address. Use a secondary email if you're concerned about privacy or future marketing messages. Step 4. Enter your payment information if required. Most VPN trials need a credit card, but you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step 5. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Most providers support Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even routers. Step 6. Test the VPN thoroughly during your trial. Check connection speeds, server locations, streaming compatibility, and whether it works with your favorite services. Step 7. Evaluate privacy features like kill switches, no-log policies, and encryption standards. Make sure the VPN meets your security needs. Step 8. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to continue. Most providers make cancellation easy through their website or app settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.